Well, Garmin just released the 2023.1 map. Ooh, very recent, like yesterday. And I updated a bunch of my units. But on POI Factory, they also offer something called the large JCV, which means, and yes, I'll have this linked in the description so you can check it out if you want. There are detailed explanations there of how to install it and so forth. So I'm not going to cover the installation part, but what this does is that usually JCV is Junction View, and what happens on the map, like this, when the now this is a 2455 nuvi, by the way. The large JCV is not compatible with all nuvis and drives and drive smarts. Again, POI Factory explains, okay, this is what's compatible with, this is what it's not. Anyway, what a JCV is a junction view, and when you're approaching an exit, is that half the screen will turn into an image, and I've actually shown this in previous videos of mine. That's junction view. The large JCV is a full screen junction view, and I noticed there are no videos on YouTube showing, at least none that I could find, that show what does full screen JCV, full screen junction view actually look like. Well, let's have a look. You'll see an example of it right here.
Continue 1.2 miles, then take exit 39A on the right towards El Dorado Parkway.
Now, as it's approaching the exit, what's going to happen is that ordinarily on this side of the screen, in the landscape mode, which it's in now, the right side will turn into the junction view, and only the right side. It's an image, it's non-animated and such, and there it is, full screen junction view. That is exactly what it looks like. It's going to hang there for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. So yeah, it doesn't stay there. It just, and then you take your exit, and let me just mute this. There we go. And then it will, come on, there you go. Continue on. Oh, it's going to show it again. Okay. And then it will, well, I'm actually glad it's showing it again so you can just see it. And then it just continues on with your journey. Now, on POI Factory, it is made mention of this, and I believe it's a valid point, is that, is this usable? Well, this is really for a niche audience. Some guys really like the full screen JCV, and other people think, no, I don't like it because I want to see what's going on with the map instead of seeing an image. It really depends on your preference at the end of it all. So it's not an upgrade, nor is it a downgrade. It's just different, and they offer it. And this is not part of the standard Garmin map update, which is why it is offered for download on POI Factory. Again, link in the description if you want to go check it out. And it is specific to map image. So the one that I have in here is specific to the 2023.1 North America image. And that's what you just saw. So that's the way that it works. Again, there's a lot of text on this. Is the installation easy? No. You have to go in and, well, for example, I'll show you exactly what you have to do. You first have to go into your speedometer here, your trip computer. Hold this part. And then go to MTP settings, and it's usually auto detect. You got to change the mass storage so that you can actually see the drive letter in Windows when you plug it in with USB. Then you have to go to the hidden system folder and find JCV and back up the old JCV file and copy the large JCV, and then that's pretty much it. And there are in fact 2 JCV files. I only had to use one for this one, for a 2455. I forget what it starts. Oh wait, it's I have it on my other screen here. It's the one that starts with D3 instead of D12. the D3 one works on the 2455, 2495, 2555, and 2595. Does it work on the 97s? No, but it will work on the ones ending in 5, as in the, again, 2455, 2495, 2555, 2595, and you're good to go. If you want to know more, head over to the POI Factory, read the article, and if you just updated to the 2023 map and you have a model like this one, well, you just saw it. Absolutely confirmed, it works if you want it.